I'm cutting the slot that will hold the adjusting rod. This slot will be 3.375 inches wide and 0.90 inches deep. I'm going to cut it with a 4-flute 3/8 inch TIN coated high-speed steel end mill. I'm taking 50 thousandths each pass. So I'm going to come down 50 thousandths. Taking me longer than usual to come down to 50 thousandths because I'm trying to keep my arm out of the picture. Nicely, we'll come down another 50. You get to see my arm this time because I don't really care. A little shot of lube. Do one more pass on camera. Down another 50 there. Won't bore you with more. Here's the final cut on that 0.375 by 0.90 deep slot, taking 50 thousandths. Here's the slot I just cut. I've decided to try the 13/32 drill. It's a screw machine length drill, and I'm going to give that a shot before I try the end mill. I'm just checking the SFM on
before I do the cut. I wasn't sure if I had it set right, and I do. I've got it set at 98, 99 SFM, and that'll do it, because my next step is double that. We'll be careful with this and see what happens. Yeah, it's cutting. We're through. I could see it move over a tiny amount, but this is not a precision slot either. But the question is it good enough? We'll find out later. Well, I'm not going to have much to clean up on that slot. This turned out to be a heck of a lot easier than I thought. There's a little suggestion, there's a little ridge right there, and there's a little ridge right there opposite. And this turned out a lot better than I thought it might. Let's see if I can zoom in without getting out of focus. I think I got a thumbs down on my help video for being out of focus, but it wasn't very out of focus. Still, if you're going to make a video, you want to be in focus, so I hope this one is. I'm using a 3/8 inch end mill, offset to one side just a smidgen to clean up the material left between those two holes that I drilled at an angle. There's not much. That should have done it. I'll take care of the other side by offsetting just a smidgen. Technical term that we use in noodling. Smidgen too much. There, that's a smidgen just right. That ought to do it. I can still see a little bit of material that ought to be removed, or that could be removed. Nothing precision about this slot. My plan is to stick a 5/16 or 3-inch threaded rod through it. I think I'll clean up the remainder with a file. I'm going to countersink this .406 hole to hopefully .520. See, what do I have that I can conveniently measure that? Well, I'm going to have to turn you off for a minute. Well, the trusty digital calipers are going to have to work for me. I want 520 and I've got .496, so we're going to go a tad more. Trusty digital calipers won't turn off. There we go. I think I can go the entire width of this center drill and still be just fine. But, I mean, not center drill, but countersink. .5056, still way short. I've never countersunk anything before, so I'm, for you guys that are pros, forgive my inexperience. By the way, that's the only countersink I own, and I don't know how I got that other than I inherited it from a box of stuff that my estate sale cruising brother-in-law sent me. Bless him. I have a lot of stuff that I wouldn't ordinarily have if it wasn't for him. So Bernard, if you ever watch this video, thank you, sir. I don't think that countersink's going to do it. I have to get something else to finish that hole with.